This is your Pokegang Master once again, and for today's video guys, I will be showing you the top 10 most expensive common and uncommon cards that I found on my bulk sales. So as you know guys, I'm buying a lot of bulks of MTG cards, and with those bulks, I am searching one by one which are the most expensive common and uncommon cards that we'll be selling in our Shopee shop. Please don't forget to follow us and check our Shopee shop, Daily Dose of Magic, for more informations. So let's get it up. So for our first card guys, top 10 most expensive card is Loran Escape. So this one guys is 1.79 USD. So this one is an instant card. Target artifact or creature gains hexproof and indestructible until the end of the turn, plus SCRY 1. So it's very nice card. Loran's Escape, you need to have this if you're building white deck. So for our ninth most expensive card is Not Dead After All. So this, as I told in my previous video guys, this one is the most OP, one of the most OP card of black deck. So this one is an instant card. Until end of turn, target creature you control gains. When this creature dies, return to the battlefield, tap under its owner control, then create a Wicked Roll token attached to it. Enchanted creature gets +1/+1. When this aura is put into a graveyard, each opponent lose 1 life. This one is very nice guys. This is a very OP card for $2. Not Dead After All. Next is the Torch the Tower. So Torch the Tower guys is an instant card. It has a bargain ability. You may sacrifice an artifact, enchantment, or token as you cast this spell. Torch the Tower deals 2 damage to target creature or planeswalker. If this spell was bargained, instead it deals 3 damage to that permanent and you can SCRY 1. So very OP card guys. Torch the Tower, 1 red mana only. So this one is costing also for $2, 2 USD. But since this one is foiled, so I think this one will cost 2.5 USD. Okay, so for our next card guys, for our fourth place number 7. Place number 7 is Accursed Marauder. So Accursed Marauder is 1 colorless mana and 1 black mana. So this one is a creature zombie warrior guys. So when Accursed Marauder enters the battlefield, each player sacrifice a non-token creature. Very nice card. So this one is costing around, Accursed Marauder is around 2.29 USD. You can check Card Kingdom guys. All of the costing that I put here is from Card Kingdom, 2.29 USD. So for our next card, so this is our fifth. So sixth, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is our sixth card, sixth most expensive card found in the bulk is a Revitalizing Repast. This one is also shown in our previous video. Revitalizing Repast is an instant card. Put a +1/+1 counter on a target creature. It gains indestructible until end of turn. This one is very nice card. So Revitalizing is 2.49 USD. Very nice card. Good find. So our next one guys is a Lightning Bolt from M10 series. So this one is an instant card. So 1 mana, 1 red mana only. Lightning Bolt deals 3 damage to target creature or player. You can damage directly to the player. So this one guys, with this M10 series, the Lightning Bolt is costing around 2.49 USD. 2.49 USD, good find. So our top 4 cards that we found the bulk is the Fanatical Offering. I also mentioned this in the previous video guys, on top 10 OP cards. So this one is an instant card. As an additional cost to cast this spell, sacrifice an artifact or creature, draw 2 cards and create a map token. So it's an artifact with plus, it's an artifact. If you use 1 mana, you can sacrifice an artifact. Target creature you control explores. Activate only as a sorcery. So this one you can use to explore some cards. So this one's Fanatical Offering is costing around 2.79 USD. We'll be selling that in our Shopee shop. And for our top 3 guys, top 3 is a legendary creature, Kudzil Malamet Exemplar. This one is a uncommon legendary creature, Cat Warrior. So your opponent can cast spells during your turn. Whenever One or more creature you control, each with power greater than its base power, deals combat damage to a player. Then you can draw a card. Very OP, guys. For 3 mana, only 1 colorless, 1 green, 1 white mana. Very OP. So this one, Kudsil creature, Kudsil Malamit Exemplar, sorry, is 2.79 USD. So you should have this, 2.79 USD. And for our second to the most expensive card is a Laser Brick token. So this one is nice token, guys. So I think this one come from the Transformer series. So this one is a token legendary artifact creature robot. So this one is flying and hex proof with 2/2. So this one is costing around 3.49 USD. Wow, I'll be putting this in my Shopee shop. Very nice card. And for our top one, guys, is a 2017 Desperate Ritual, 1 colorless mana and 1 red mana only, guys. This is a Desperate Ritual instant arcane card and uncommon card. It add 3 mana to your mana pool. So it splice into arcane 1, and then as you cast this arcane spell, you may reveal this card from your hand and pay its splice cost. If you do, and discard effects to that spell. So this one, Desperate Ritual, guys, is costing around 3.99 USD or 4 USD. So that's all for today's video, guys. That's our top 10 most expensive common and uncommon finds in our bulks. Hope you like it, and please subscribe in our video. God bless, guys.